Hi, my name's Simon from Motodrome. Now today we're going to take a walk around and a drive of this absolutely magnificent 1967 Volvo 1800S that you can see behind me here. Two videos, one walk around, one driving, plus a bit of starting and idling action at the beginning of the driving video. Hope you like them. Okay, so look around this absolutely beautiful 1967 Volvo 1800S, finished in red, which is its original colour. This is an original UK car, been restored in the sort of 2006 to 2010 period, and still looking absolutely superb. And it drove 250 odd miles down to us yesterday, and it's absolutely magnificent. It really is. Really going to struggle to fault this. We'll just take a slow walk around it, and then we'll see if we can find some things we don't like, but nothing's really sprung out at me thus far. I do like the style of these, and they drive as if they're hewn from a solid block, of course, because they're a Volvo. So let's get down to some nitpicking. Chrome looks like it's largely original. The chrome's actually in pretty good shape. There's a few marks on it here and there on the front bumper, but excuse me, nothing excessive. And the same on the top of the grille. Just a little bit of weathering, really. It's not really pitting as such, just a little bit of weathering. The paint finish is absolutely superb in the red. Looks first class around there. There's a couple of, just, yeah, where it drove yesterday, and we haven't really given it much of a clean, but it's all good around there. Looking down the near side, it looks beautifully straight down there. Panel gaps all look very good. Wheels are fairly new and in pretty good shape. Arch is nice. All that's good up there. Roof is good. I'd say some of the chrome is original and some has been replaced. I think these top trims here have been replaced, but some of the chrome is still original. But yeah, just absolutely lovely. Inside here, the interior is original, black leather, so it's a bit creased and what have you, but the passenger seat certainly isn't sort of damaged in any way, apart from a little bit of the piping has just come apart just slightly there. Carpets are pretty new. Dash is all nice. It's got a period radio in it. Headlining's all good. Vestigial back seats, and door card as it is there. Oh, shut that properly. Is that a scratch? No, piece of hair. The paint is uncannily good on this one, and body, really very good indeed. Nope, just a bit of dirt. Same with the rear bumper as the front ones. One or two minor marks on it, but it's still in very, very good shape. The Mazak reversing light and number plate plinth, though, is a bit pitted, as they always are. But it's all I think it'd take much to actually turn this into a concours contender, really. It is that good. Offside rear wing is all nice. I really can't find anything. Again, that's just a bit of dirt. Well, I don't think I've had to do this on a car for a long time in terms of its body, but I can't criticise anything. really is that good. Inside, driver's door card has had a repair put in across here. You can see the sides of it. It could have been done slightly better. It's obviously a bit worn on the armrest. A bit of wear just there, but see the dash on this side. It's all good. Driver's seat. Little bit of wear on the piping just there, but otherwise all in very good shape. There we go. It's a really first-class example. It really is. Had a couple of these over the years, but certainly not one as good as this. Hope you like it. I certainly do.